Hi everyone! Welcome to Doris CCTV channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to share your Uniview devices on EZView to another account. So, let's start. The first step is to go to the app menu found here. We will see a few options, but this time we will go to this option called Devices. Here we see that the main user has already added some devices. Let's add this one. When selecting the device, we will go to the Share option, in which it's going to take us to the settings and permissions that will help us configure the device that we will share. In this part, we will share the device by username. To find out how, we will go to the second user's phone first. We go to the app menu, and once we know the username of the person we want to share, we can add it to this box with which you can add one or multiple users at the same time. Valid period is an option where we can set an expiration date to the shared device. Here we can easily assign the year, month, and day, but also the hour, minute, and second. And finally, we select permissions with which we can give the other user a limit of functions or the complete function of the device. And to finish, we tap on Share. Let's check if the sharing was successfully done. As you can see here, we have the device. Now we go to Live View, and that's how we can reconfirm that the sharing is a success. Thank you for watching. Until the next tutorial, see you soon.